Step 1. Grab your phone and go on to Google Play Store. Step number 2. Download this app for free. And step 3. Boom, you just earned $600. No selling, no video, no referral, no website, and no difficult setup. This is extremely fast and easy. The entire process from start to finish will only take you about 3 to 5 minutes. And it doesn't matter what country you're coming from, whether it's in the US, Australia, Canada, Philippines, India, Indonesia, or any country in the world. If you have a mobile phone, you can start making $600 starting today. But here's the thing, there are a few mistakes that most beginners make, and eventually they either fail to make any money or withdraw their earnings. And I'll show you exactly how to avoid those mistakes. Plus, I'll give you a few very special tips to double your earnings. So by doing that, you can make more money compared to other people who didn't watch the video until the end. So let's just say you make $100. You can turn it into $200, literally double your money. So make sure to not miss out on the tips that I'm gonna give out. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Now, the first app that you can make money online today is over at PHOPE.com. This is an app that consists of a huge library with millions and millions of high-quality photos. And there are basically two groups of people on PHOPE apps. Number one, people who are looking to buy different photos. And every single day, there are hundreds and thousands of people who are shopping around on phones and looking for different photos to purchase. And the second group of people on PHOPE are those who are selling their photos. And that's exactly how you can make money on this website. Don't worry, you don't have to take any of your own photos, you don't need any graphic skills, and you don't have to be on camera, and you don't actually need any technical skills. And in just a moment, I'll show you a few secret websites where you can literally find a lot of done for you and fully automated photos that you can re-upload and post on PHOPE. And by the end of watching this video, you could be making your first $100 up to $300. So when you go on to the homepage of PHOPE.com, you want to click for creators. And I want you to click on sell your content, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here, time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. You can download the phone app on your iOS or Android device. If you're an Android phone, you can go to Google Play Store and look to make sure you download the right application with this logo. If you're using an iPhone, you can go on to your App Store and download PHOPE apps for free as well. I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of device are you guys using right now. And the best part is this app is 100% free. So real quick, I want to show you the entire library on PHOPE website. You can see here there are so many high quality photos that people are selling, and they're making a lot of money. And the good thing that I like about PHOPE is that they do give you passive income. Once you upload the photo on this platform, even next week, next month, or next year, or 5 years down the road, you'll still be able to receive your commission from this photo that you uploaded. And every single month, there are millions and millions of visitors who are shopping to find different photos to purchase, and they're going to be buying the photos. Once again, you don't have to create or take any of your own photos. I'll show you exactly something special at the end of this video, so make sure you don't miss out on that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to also hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. So say for example, this is one of the photos that people are selling on this website. Usually for every single photo, they will be charging this amount. Right now, you might be wondering how much money you can actually earn from this website. Well, basically, they're going to share the profit with you 50-50. So 50% goes to the PHOPE app and 50% goes to your account. And the reason why they're taking 50% of the profit is because they are going to sell the photos for you automatically. And PHOPE is actually a very well-established website. They are working with a lot of big brands, and they are getting millions of visitors every single month. And they're going to automatically help you market and sell different photos that you upload on their website. So you don't have to do any of the manual work yourself. All you gotta do is just simply copy the photos and paste them into this platform, and you can receive passive income every day. Now let me show you something really interesting on this website other than simply selling photos. You can also join different missions. You can see this mission right here with this amount of cash reward, right here another mission with this reward. And every single week there's different missions that you can join where you can simply upload different photos based on the theme that you provided. When you submit your different photos onto different missions, you stand a chance to win extra cash money on this website. Make sure you keep watching watching, because at the end of this video, I'll show you a couple of websites where you can find done-for-you pictures with a super high quality that you can copy and paste and earn money on photos. Before I show you the secret website, I want to show you another app which you can download for free and earn cash simply by going to Shutterstock.com. Basically, this website is very similar compared to PHOPE, and they do have a huge library of different high quality and high resolution photos that every single day people come here to buy different pictures. Once again, you can be the one to contribute and upload some photos on Shutterstock, and you can simply share your photos and start earning money every single day. Now, the coolest thing about this strategy is that you can upload the exact same photo on Shutterstock and also on PHOPE. And the more websites that you sign up for, the more money you are going to make, because there are certain people who are visiting PHOPE to buy your photos, and there are also a portion of people who go on Shutterstock instead to make the purchase. So we can literally copy and paste photos and build up different sorts of passive income by using this exact strategy. So once again, all you gotta do is click this button right here to get started, and that's going to bring you to this page to sign up for a free account. All you gotta do is put in your full name, your display name, your email address, your password, and you can register for a free account. And as promised, I'll show you a couple of websites where you can find here download 100% free high resolution images. Before I show you the websites, make sure to go down and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So basically, this website is called burst.shopify.com. Now from here, you can find different high quality and high resolution photos, and they separate them into different categories. For example, we have work from home, fashion, women, fitness, and so on and so forth. And there are so many different categories that you can see here, and they're super high quality. And they are 100% free. You don't need any credit card, you don't need any investment. And now say for example, when I look into this category, that's gonna bring me to this page where you can see all the images where you can download just with one click by using either your phone or your computer. And as you can see here, there are just so many different pictures right here. Now you can choose from high resolution or low resolution, but I really recommend you to download the high resolution in order to get paid on different websites. And as always, I will try my best to help you guys to make even more money online. So I decided to give you another website, which is picwizard.com. And once again, on this website, you can find different high quality and free stock photos. And they have over 1 million different high quality photos and images which you can download for free on this website. So once again, as I promised, you don't need any technical skills, you don't have to create or take any of your own photos. This is actually a much smarter way and a shortcut to do it. Now let's just say when I click on this image right here, and that's going to take me to this page. Now from there, I can click on any of these download buttons to download this on my phone or download this on my computer. So as you can see here, I've successfully downloaded these images onto my computer, and now the next step is to take these images and upload them on Shutterstock and also on PHOPE.com, and I can start receiving different royalty commissions and passive income every single day. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go guys, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, also leave a like and a comment down below because that helps me so much into growing this channel even more. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Take care.